From the golden shores of tropical islands, where the sea kisses the sand and palm trees sway in the wind, rises a fruit that has been revered for centuries, the coconut. Known as the tree of life, the coconut palm has nourished, healed, and sustained human civilizations from Asia to the Caribbean. Every part of the coconut tree, from root to leaf, has been used for food, shelter, medicine, and even spiritual rituals, making it one of the most versatile gifts of nature. When early sailors ventured across oceans, coconuts traveled with them, providing fresh hydration, rich nutrition, and long-lasting energy in a single shell. The outer husk, tough and fibrous, once served as fuel, rope, and material for crafting, while the inner shell became bowls, cups, and protective containers. But inside lies the true treasure, the refreshing coconut water, a natural electrolyte drink that has been compared to the purity of life itself. This liquid has saved lives during wars and emergencies, when it was even used as a substitute for intravenous hydration due to its natural compatibility with the human body. Then comes the creamy white flesh, rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential minerals that energize and nourish from within. Coconut oil, extracted from this flesh, has been celebrated in Ayurveda and traditional medicine for its healing properties, believed to strengthen the body, improve digestion, and even enhance mental clarity. Modern science now confirms many of these ancient beliefs, showing coconut oil's antimicrobial properties, its potential to support brain health, and its unique ability to provide quick energy through medium-chain fatty acids. The grated flesh can be transformed into coconut milk, a creamy base for countless traditional dishes, from spicy curries in India to tropical desserts in the Pacific Islands. Coconut flour has become a modern superfood, a gluten-free alternative rich in fiber and flavor, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and contemporary nutrition. Even the sugar derived from its sap, known as coconut sugar, carries a lower glycemic index, offering a more balanced sweetness than refined alternatives. Beyond nutrition, coconuts have played a role in beauty and wellness, with coconut oil used as a natural moisturizer, hair conditioner, and skin protector for generations. In many island cultures, the coconut is not merely food, it is a symbol of fertility, protection, and abundance. It is offered in ceremonies, cracked open at weddings, and shared during sacred rituals, signifying life and purity. Across Polynesia, it is said that the first coconut grew from the sacrifice of a young man, transforming his spirit into the fruit that would sustain his people forever. Its presence is deeply woven into folklore, symbolizing resilience, generosity, and the cycle of life. From tropical cocktails on sandy beaches to healing remedies passed down through generations, coconuts remain timeless companions to human culture. Their versatility is unmatched. Water to refresh, flesh to nourish, oil to heal, husk to craft, and leaves to shelter. To this day, villagers in coastal regions still depend on the coconut tree as a daily source of food, medicine, and livelihood, truly making it the tree of life. In modern kitchens, coconuts bring both flavor and function, enriching smoothies, baked goods, and savory dishes with their tropical essence. Athletes prize coconut water as a natural alternative to sports drinks, valuing its potassium and hydration power after intense training. Holistic healers recommend coconut oil pulling for oral health, an ancient practice that continues to find relevance today. Scientists explore its role in metabolism and brain function, intrigued by its unique fats that fuel the body differently than most oils. Even in environmental sustainability, coconuts shine, as nearly every part of the fruit and tree can be repurposed without waste. Truly, few foods on Earth embody the harmony of tradition, nutrition, and culture as gracefully as the coconut. It is a reminder that nature, as gifts, are not only powerful but also deeply connected to the rhythm of human survival and celebration. The coconut stands as a bridge between past and present, between necessity and abundance, between life and the spirit of resilience. To hold a coconut in your hands is to hold centuries of history, nourishment, and wisdom, a fruit that has given endlessly and continues to inspire. The coconut is more than food. It is life encapsulated in a hard shell, waiting to be cracked open, shared, and celebrated. And so, the coconut endures as one of nature's most extraordinary treasures, forever tied to the story of humanity itself. Like and subscribe to stay with us on this delicious journey through the world of food and ancient flavors.